In this video, I'm going to talk about how can you invite a friend on WhatsApp. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to invite somebody in WhatsApp, you just simply have to open your WhatsApp application. And after opening the WhatsApp application, you will just simply have to tap into this green button at the bottom right side. Simply tap into that, and after tapping into that, you will just simply have to scroll down to very last, where you will get this section where you find this invite to WhatsApp option and share invite link. You can choose these two options in order to invite. If you already have somebody in your phone book or contact list, you can directly select the person's name and tap to invite button in order to invite them via the messages application, or you can share invite link and send them the invite link through any other social media applications, mail, and etc. And whenever they get that link and tap into that and install WhatsApp, you guys can finally be together into WhatsApp and chat and have fun. This way you can easily invite any of your friend into WhatsApp. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to give a thumbs up. Thank you for watching this video.